This right here is my absolute favorite chocolate dessert. It's called Mosaiko. Mosaiko is the Greek word for mosaic, and you can see exactly why it has that name from the pattern the biscuits make surrounded with that chocolate fudge mixture. Let me show you how to make it. Here I'm using these Greek biscuits, but you can also use anything that's light, thin, and crispy for this recipe. All you have to do is begin to break them up in your bowl. Just breaking them up into 1 to 1.5 centimeter pieces. You don't have to be absolutely perfect. We just need them small enough to fit in your form and to make a nice pattern when we cut through it. My daughter and I love making this dessert together. It's so quick and so easy, and the best part is you don't need to bake it. I've got some cocoa powder here. I'm going to pour it directly on top of our crushed biscuits and mix it through. Mix it through really well and make sure the biscuits are coated in the cocoa. And now we move on to the chocolate sauce. I'm going in with 100 grams of unsalted butter. To that, I'm going to add 1 can of condensed milk. And 160 grams of dark chocolate. Now all we do is stir and allow it to melt. Our ingredients have melted together and we've got a really rich chocolate sauce. And to that, I'm going to add a Greek touch, which is just a shot of brandy. Mix that through and we'll pour it directly over our biscuits. If you're a chocoholic like me, this one's for you. Once everything's mixed through, we're going to add it to our pre-lined tin. So as I add the mixture in, I make sure it touches the edge of the form to ensure that it forms perfectly. So I'm just going in with a spoon and flattening everything down so it's an even layer. That way when we flip it later, it'll be nice and even. And don't forget to lick the bowl clean. So this is the finished product now. All we have to do is let it sit in the fridge and then we can dig in. Our Mosaiko is set. It's been a few hours. The great thing is you can make this in advance and prepare it the day before. All we have to do is pull it out of the tin and pull off our baking paper. And now I'm just going to go in with a dusting of cocoa powder over the top and we can dig in. Let's cut a slice long ways and reveal that mosaic. And you can see exactly why this is called a mosaiko, because you can see that gorgeous mosaic pattern surrounded by that delicious fudgy chocolate. It's my absolute favorite.